In the night I lie and look up at you. When the morning comes I watch you rise. There's a paradise they couldn't capture, that bright infinity inside your eyes. 매일 밤 내게 날아가 꿈이란 것도 잊은 채 나 웃으며 너를 만나. Never ending forever baby. You are my universe and I just want to put you first. And you are my universe and you make my world light up inside.
Look at what you've done. Stand still. Now I'm holding on. What you said was never enough for me. Gotta be so strong. There's a power in what you do. Now every other day I'm watching you. I'll show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. We did everything right. Now I'm on the outside. I'll show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. We did everything right. Now I'm on the outside.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
My name is Amy. I'm a student. My teacher asked me to practice my English. May I ask you some questions?
Yes, you may.
Are you tourist or working here?
I brought work with me, but I'm so I can work in the hotel, but I'm a tourist. No, so I get to see.
Okay. Could you tell me where you are from?
I'm from Colorado, USA.
Did you enjoy your trip?
Yes, very much. It's been very long.
How do you know about Indonesia?
Chris told me. He's Indonesian.
Okay. What do you think about Indonesian people and Indonesian food?
I really like the food. I really like the people. I think the people are really nice.
Thank you for. Okay.
Yeah, you're welcome. Makasih.
Thank you. Goodbye.
My name is Fatan. I am a student. I'm practicing my English. May I ask you some questions?
Yes, you can.
Are you a tourist or working here?
I am a tourist.
Okay. Did you like the Indonesian food?
I like Indonesian food, but sometimes it's too spicy.
Did you stay in a hotel or homestay here?
I'm staying in a hotel in the center.
How many tourist resorts have you visited in Indonesia?
Many, but in Java only 1 or 2 places so far.
How did you come here?
I took the flight.
Did you enjoy your trip?
I did.
Thank you, mister.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, you can ask us 2 questions. We really have to go because we need to go.
Okay.
2 questions, okay?
Good. Excuse me, may I introduce myself? Okay, my name is Angie. I'm a student. My teacher asked me to practice my English. May I ask you some questions?
Of course, yes.
Are you? How did you come here?
So can you repeat the question?
Okay. When did you come here?
We arrived a few days ago.
Did you enjoy your trip?
Yes, very nice. Very beautiful.